Down the galley, just in time for the 4th of July. A new twist on the cucumber salad. Mint, ginger, cucumber, pineapple. It's delicious. So I'm going to do our dressing first, and depending on the size of your limes, the zest from one or the zest from a half of one. But then we want 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Now this is just in time to bring a fun new salad to your 4th of July. It is fast, it is fresh, it's tangy, sweet, spicy, it's versatile. Now once you have your lime juice, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of the juice from pickled ginger. And don't put that up yet, we're going to put that in our salad too. And next you're going to want 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to do a little bit of red chili, and you can decide this: 1/4 of a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, 1/8 a teaspoon. I'm going to let you pick how much chili pepper you put in there. And then I'm going to do half of a teaspoon kosher salt. And let's shake that up. Let's get that salt dissolved. And next we're going to add 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to set that aside and build our salad. 2 medium to large cucumbers, 1 of the big English cucumbers. These were kind of small, so I went with 3. Now you can peel it all, you can leave the peelings on. I like to do every so often, and then I think that makes it look pretty in the bowl. And I like mine sliced fairly thin here. If you wanted to, you could absolutely just chop this. You don't have to cut it in rounds. And now to that I have, it's over a cup, at least a cup of pineapple. This was 1/4 of a whole pineapple. And then I have 1/4 cup of fresh mint, roughly chopped. And I just think this mint is going to be so beautiful in there. I've got 1/4 cup of onions. I gave them a soak. Let me strain them. And then we're coming back to that ginger, and I want to do 1/4 of a cup of this ginger. Now you can, this is kind of small, this ginger, so you can kind of leave it like this, but I am going to give it just a rough chop, just so you're not getting a big, huge bite at a time. And now we're just going to get all of that nice and tossed. I mean, the color is already beautiful, huh? And then we're going to add that beautiful dressing. Now this cucumber salad, you can use this for your rice bowls, eat it on its own, eat it as a side dish for a nice grilled steak or chicken. It's going to go with everything. I do like to let this sit 15 to 30 minutes just to let that cucumber soften up and then absorb all of those flavors. And then, honestly, it's ready to go. So here you are, a refreshing new twist on the cucumber salad. It's amazing. That ginger is so delicious in there. That mint is so refreshing. Crunchy cucumbers, sweet pineapple. What could go wrong? Thanks for watching, y'all. Happy 4th of July.